I'm gonna talk further about how vision can simplify your life. And I wanna tell you guys a story. And I got to discover how vision can actually instill discipline in your life. Sometimes you feel like, I'm not disciplined. But discovering a vision is actually the first step in business, because of your vision, it automatically just demands discipline. Like the word of God says, where there is no vision, people perish. And I got to learn that the word perish means lack of discipline. That vision keeps your eyes fixed. Vision dictates everything: relationships, the content you consume, conversations you have and enjoy, decisions you make, the books you read. You walk into the bookstore, you know the kind of books that you're supposed to read, and you know those that you can't afford to waste your time on, because they are not going to bring you any closer to achieving your vision. So vision dictates everything, but at the same time it fulfills you, because you're doing things that excite you, you're having conversations that excite you, you're listening to podcasts, content, you're scoring through things that motivate you in a daily basis. Vision chooses the relationships that you keep. I posted the poster at this event when I came here on my WhatsApp, and people were commenting. Those who share the same faith with me were already declaring the word of God to say, God is with you, go and speak. Those who, encouraging you. Why? Because I have a vision, and I had to choose the kind of people that are supposed to encourage me and cheer me on as I cheer them on. Because in this journey, you need those kind of people. You don't need people who are going to act mood, yet they see that you are, you are doing well, You need people who are going to say, wow, you're doing so well. I love that. Go for it. Well done. This is so good. There's something about that text that can actually get you up and say, really? Are you for real? Oh, thank you. Even a message from a stranger in the DM to say, hey, Millicent, thank you so much for the talk you did, blah, 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 blah. I love that. I want to do it more. Whether it brings me money at that time when I'm starting or not, but I want to do it more because I am encouraged. But it all starts from a vision and making sure that everything you do is being dictated by your vision, right? I spoke about how vision simplifies your life because you always know what you need to do. You wake up every day excited, and people get to ask you, how do you manage? You're a mom, you're a wife, you do this, you did this. Your vision helps you know what exactly you need to do. You are able to filter out things that you are not supposed to be doing, right? And vision protects you from distractions. And in this journey, I got to discover that distractions sometimes come as good things. You're busy doing good things, but they are good but not right for you, because they're not bringing you any closer to achieving your vision, right? Vision demands, and it is the source of discipline. If you do not have a vision in your business or in your company, it means there is no discipline in your company.